Hello everyone and welcome to Cozy Acres. Real quick, I wanted to update everybody. We trimmed down the Nikko. It was getting out of hand and it was getting too linky, so we cut it real hard back. I mean, we nuked this thing pretty good. Mrs. and I, she got the front side back here, and then I end up getting the round and then the top of it. But this plant will not bloom very well this year since we've done this. We normally for the Nikko, especially the Nikko, this particular hydrangea, you only deadhead it in the spring when it's about ready to wake up, and you leave the old new shoots, such as like these ones right here. This one's nice and green. This one would have shot out and would produce a bloom, but we cut them way back this time around. As you can see, all the leftovers laying down on the ground here, and we do this to give it reshape and get it revitalized. This is the first time we've done it to this particular plant, and this early. It is February 16th, 17th, somewhere in there, 16th I think it is. And we should have waited on this just a little bit longer if we were going to just do the deadheading, but we went ahead and cut it all the way back. We've had a pretty mild winter, so therefore it has already started to leaf out. So I just went ahead and did it. So there you are, have it. Just a real quick update. The rest of the yard is still looking pretty good, pretty decent. We're still working on it. The eucalyptus, I normally would trim that up during the fall, but this year I went ahead and just let it go ahead and develop throughout the winter, and then I'm now going to drop it, and we'll drop it to where it's level to the greenhouse. So there's, I mean, probably we'll top off a good 8 feet of it and bring it all the way back down again. But anyhow, that's later on. That's the year. All the rest of the yard is starting to come together pretty good, all the trimming and everything. So anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know we nuked the hydrangea Nikko. Y'all have a beautiful day.